Hello, welcome to PDJ Vibro. Today we've got two refurbished machines. First up is this EVP-RA 350. That's 350 litres of usable volume with the ramp assist set up for the unload process, separating the parts from the media with the unload setup and the acoustic cover, traditional handle unload system on there. As you can see, all been stripped down, excellent lining. And that's an absolutely cracking unit, and that can be paired with a maize dryer should you wish. And today we're offering this EVK200, that's 200 litres. It's an older unit, it's going to be going quite cheap, it's going to be a great bargain for somebody. So if you're interested in a wet process for deburring, polishing, superfinishing, and or you would like to have a maize dryer, or just simply learn more, then why not give us a call or pop in with parts. You can't do that, send in parts for us to process for you. Our experts will talk you through the whole process and make sure that what you're looking at is the right thing for you. We look forward to speaking to you.